Hey everyone, and welcome! Ever wonder if your shiny new electric vehicle deserves a little more TLC than your old gas guzzler? Because it does! Today, we're diving headfirst into the ultimate guide to cleaning your electric vehicle, a process that's a little different and maybe even a little more crucial than you might think. Now, before we get started, I want to be completely upfront. While I've done a lot of research for this, I haven't found any super specific, recent studies on EV cleaning techniques. Think of this more as a compilation of best practices and common sense, tailored specifically for the unique needs of your electric ride. Let's get started. First things first, why is cleaning your EV more important than your gas-powered car? Well, think about it. EVs often have more intricate designs with exposed charging ports and sensitive electronics. Dirt and grime aren't just unsightly, they can actually damage these components over time. Plus, let's be honest, nobody wants to climb into a dusty, dirty car, electric or otherwise. So, where do we begin? The washing process itself isn't drastically different, but the approach is key. Start with a good pre-rinse. This is crucial to loosen up any stubborn dirt, especially if you've been driving on dusty roads or through some particularly muddy puddles. We've all been there. Use a pressure washer if you have one, but be mindful of the pressure. You don't want to blast water directly into any sensitive areas like your charging port or seams. A gentle approach is best here. Next, grab your favorite car wash soap. Now, here's where things get interesting. While any good quality car wash soap will do, avoid anything abrasive or harsh. We're not talking about scouring the deck of a ship here, we're cleaning a precision machine. Gentle is the name of the game. After you've lathered your EV, rinse it thoroughly. Again, pay attention to those details. Make sure you get all the soap out from around the charging port and any crevices. Leftover soap can attract dirt and potentially cause corrosion. Now, let's talk about drying. You might be tempted to just let your EV air dry, but this isn't always the best approach. Water spots can still appear, and they can be more stubborn to remove on an EV's glossy paint. A high-quality microfiber drying towel is your friend here. Gently pat down the surface, working your way from top to bottom. This prevents water from settling in hard-to-reach places. And here's a tip that might surprise you. Don't forget about the wheels. Brake dust can be particularly tenacious, especially on EVs because of regenerative braking. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner and a detailed brush to get into those hard-to-reach areas. This will keep your wheels looking sharp and prevent buildup that could affect performance. Now, we've covered the basics, but what about the interior? Again, the principles are similar but with a focus on the specific materials found in EVs. Many EVs use eco-friendly materials, which might require slightly different cleaning techniques. Always check your owner's manual for specific cleaning recommendations for your vehicle's interior materials. Generally, a vacuum cleaner, some microfiber cloths, and a gentle interior cleaner will suffice. We're almost done, but let's not forget the star of the show, the charging port. This is a critical area to keep clean and dry. Regularly inspect and gently wipe down the charging port using a slightly damp microfiber cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals or pressurized water, as this could damage the sensitive electronics within. Finally, before we wrap up, I want to mention that while the general consensus suggests this approach is safe and effective, remember that each EV model might have slightly different recommendations. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific cleaning instructions. It's the ultimate source of truth for your vehicle. So, that's the ultimate guide to cleaning your electric vehicle. You've learned the importance of gentle cleaning, the unique challenges of EV care, and the best practices to keep your ride looking and performing its best. Now, let's talk about you. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a PayPal link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. You're essentially joining a community of EV enthusiasts, helping us keep the good content flowing. So, what are your go-to EV cleaning tips? Let me know in the comments below, I'd love to hear them. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult your owner's manual. Happy cleaning and happy driving!